Hello and welcome to our TUM Student News in April, with learning opportunities, new buddies, trees in the museum and 20k for your ideas. Lectures are about to start again on Wednesday the 23rd, in case you were wondering. And I wanted to take this opportunity to point you towards our Learning Skill Workshop program in 2025. Our online and on-site courses in German and English hold the key to some valuable skills that might just come in handy. Stopping procrastination, navigating difficult conversations, presentation skills, learning hacks and more. It's helpful, it's there for you, and it's free. So don't hesitate and check the program on our website. Challenge-based learning at its best. Develop video games, build AI systems, experience the neurological basics of motivation and coping mechanisms, or boost your technical German language skills for discussions on sustainability issues. Our project weeks and plug-in modules are open for students from all departments. Sign up now for summer 25. Looking to meet new people? Become a buddy for international students from North America or the Imperial College London this summer. Help them settle in, explore the TUM campus, show them around Munich, and improve your English skills as a side effect. Everyone can be a buddy. The only requirement is fluent German. Apply now by the 27th of April. Discover Trees, Time, Architecture, an exhibition redefining our bond with trees amidst rapid societal and environmental changes. Explore how integrating trees into architecture can mitigate climate challenges and enhance urban life. The exhibition runs until September in the TUM Architecture Museum, part of the Pinakothek der Moderne. On the 29th of April, Professor Schwab from Campus Freising will present new apple varieties for allergy sufferers, for taste without consequences. The event is part of TUM at Freising. Check out all the dates for 2025 now. And before you go, there's still time to submit your proposal for the TUM Future Learning Initiative 2025. We support your project to improve studies of student life at TUM with up to €20,000. Deadline is the 31st of May. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay connected for more updates in a few weeks. Until then, have a great start into the summer semester.